Welcome to Yingni. Today, we have the amazing latest welding technology for you. Let's start a revolution to produce the grinding copper weld plate. The fast capacitor discharge welding machine. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it works. First step, install the proper frog clamp for the wheel, and then install the base plate. Thirdly, install the gland, and don't forget to 90-degree rotate the gland. After pressing the gland, lock the switch to right. Then we place the positioning template. It's time to put the segments in the template in order. One by one, if by skilled worker, time for this process could be very short. After all segments in template, workpiece would be driven to automatically position via two linear axes and a rotation axis. Okay, then comes the most important step. When the pre-voltage force is reached, the current pulse is passed through the workpiece, and thus the welding is achieved. This process is repeated according to the number of segments. Now, all segments finish welding. Let's remove the template and get the finished grinding copper weld. Look at the welding point. Clean and tidy. No need secondary welding. We could promise the reliability and stability of the copper weld. As you can see, our machines owns so many advantages. No silver salt need, very short cycle times, very short setup times, low welding temperature, low operation costs, outstanding product quality. That's all of our machine. Hope it will help you improve your production. Thanks for your review. For more information, kindly contact us via below message.